Don't do that, Joseph. Be careful. Yeah, hold daddy's finger. Good job. Hmm? No cheating. That's daddy's clothes. Mm. Good boy. Mm. Joseph, good boy. You are a good boy. You are a good boy. You are a good boy, good boy. So bright today, huh? So bright today, Joseph. Yoo-hoo! Huh? I gave you already peanut butter. What I? Hi who? Hi to who? No, yeah, you are a good boy. Hmm? Don't do that, Joseph. No. Joseph, you are a good boy. Don't do it. Listen to daddy. Eh? You're such a good boy. You are such a good boy. You are such a good boy. Yeah. Joseph. Joseph. Good boy, good boy. Daddy gonna get your neck and take it out from your body. Hmm? Hmm? Oh. Boy, good boy. Here's your eye. What was it? Oh, yeah. Joseph. Bless you. You're good for a shower. Good for a shower. Good for a shower. Don't do that. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. You want to get your neck and make it separate from your body. That's what you want? Huh? Did you hold your neck? Make your neck longer, yeah, like that. Let me grab your whole neck. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Enough. You little kid. Hmm? He's a little kid. Mhm. You say hi to the birdies? Where are they? Do you see them? Mhm. Hello, birdies. Hello. Mhm. No, quiet, quiet. No, sing. Don't scream like that. Sing, I love you, the good boy. Woohoo! Get crazy again. Ay. Ay. What are you doing? Enough, enough. Joseph, enough. Bark. Joseph, listen, listen, bark. No, listen. Oh, look at your shadow. Look at your shadow. Shh. Do it again. Put your feathers up.